So good morning students. Today let us start predictive parsing table for the following production. S tends to A, power symbol, open bracket T close bracket. So we are going to see LL1, right? Then T tends to T comma S or S, right? So the first step is I should eliminate left recursion. I should eliminate left recursion. Okay, so while eliminating left recursion, what will happen is the formula is A tends to A alpha or beta. So in that case, A will lead to beta A dash, and my A dash is alpha A dash or epsilon. The meaning of this formula is now A tends to A alpha. It goes on continuously. Definitely A will end with beta, and it is followed by n number of alpha, that is A dash. Okay, now next, so T tends to T comma S or S. Now here A is T and comma S is alpha. This capital letter S is now beta. Now after you eliminate the left recursion, you get T tends to ST dash, then T dash tends to comma ST dash and epsilon. Okay, next is our second step, compute first and follow. To compute first and follow. To compute first and follow, first you should write the production in order. S tends to A, S tends to power symbol, S tends to open bracket T close bracket, T tends to ST dash, and then T dash tends to comma ST dash, then T dash tends to epsilon. Now we should compute first, then follow. You write the non-terminals in order, ST, T dash. Okay, now draw lines neatly. Right, now here what happens is A will come in first of S, power will come in first of S, open bracket will come in first of S, right? Then T tends to ST dash, whatever is in A will come to T, right? So whatever is in S will come to T, A, power and open bracket, then comma will come in T dash, epsilon will come in T dash. That's all. Now when you come to follow, dollar will come in the starting symbol, right? And then in the first production nothing is there, second production nothing is there, in the third production T is followed by open bracket, T will come. Now yes is followed by T dash. In T dash you have the production, you have the first symbol as comma and epsilon, so comma will go to yes. Now T tends to ST dash. Since T dash tends to epsilon, you will get new production T tends to S. Similarly, T dash tends to comma ST dash, also the same concept. Okay, so whatever is in T dash will go to S, and you will get the new production T dash tends to comma S. Okay, now we have completed the second step. Now third step is, if you have, so A tends to alpha B, follow of A will be in follow of B, right? Now here we have T tends to ST dash. Now follow of T open bracket will come to follow of T dash. So next also T dash tends to comma ST dash, no change. Now T tends to S, we have got new production, so whatever is in T will go to S. So close bracket will come to S. If you are not identifying this new production, we will not get this close bracket in follow of S. So we have completed the first and follow. The next step is, third step is your predictive parsing table. Okay, so for predictive parsing table, you are supposed to write the same order of your first and follow. So I have S, T, T dash. So your predictive parsing table is M of non-terminals comma terminals. So I have non-terminals slash terminals. Okay, and what are all the terminals? A, power symbol, open bracket, then I have close bracket, comma and dollar. Let us see how to fill this table. Right, let us see how to fill this table. So I have completed drawing the table, right? Now, so here if you see why you got A in S, you got A in S because of S tends to A. So S for A, S tends to A. And then you have power symbol. So why you got power symbol there? Because of S tends to power. Then why you got here open bracket in S first? Because of S tends to open bracket T close bracket. And then why you got A power symbol and open bracket in T, it is because of this T tends to ST dash. So I will have here T tends to ST dash for A and power symbol, and as well open bracket T tends to ST dash, right? Next is you have comma and epsilon. Why you got comma in T dash? It is because of T dash tends to comma ST dash, and you have epsilon. When you have epsilon, you should go to follow of the T dash, that is closing bracket, and I will write that production T tends to epsilon. Now since there is no multiple entry, entry, it is in LL1. It is in LL1. Okay, right? It is in LL1. So this is your predictive parsing table for the given grammar. I repeat once again. First we eliminate the left recursion. Then we compute the first and follow based on the algorithm. Then we construct the predictive parsing table. Then we finally conclude that since there is no multiple entries, a given context-free grammar is in LL1. Thank you, students.